Today we are going to go over some recommendations for cleaning and maintaining your CPAP supplies. It is recommended that you clean and replace your supplies regularly to ensure your CPAP therapy is giving you optimal results. If you're using a full face mask, change your cushion once a month. If you are using a nasal or nasal pillow mask, change your cushion every 2 weeks. All of your CPAP materials are able to be washed, even if you are using a heated tube, including the type that has a wire attached to the outside. If you are using a mask that has a memory foam cushion instead of silicone, you cannot wash the cushion in soap and water as the water can damage it. Instead, wipe the cushion daily with a gentle baby wipe or a wipe designed specifically for CPAP masks. The frame and headgear can still be washed as normal with soap and water. A good one to use is any clear and unscented dish soap like this one. Once a week, you should wash your tubing, mask and water chamber with mild soap and water and air dry these out of direct sunlight. If you have a non-disposable foam filter, this is a good time to rinse it with water and let it air dry before replacing it.
Comment questions below.